Was it?
I was on time lapse. Although we just checked out of our motel.
It's the highway.
Yeah. So we can just walk a little bit.
You have to remember where.
Yeah, we'll just come back down. I think we can go back down this way. This is nice. Man, if we had this in our backyard, this would be perfect. You know what this is? Randy calls this?
Huh?
Randy calls this like sun or oxygen bathing
Yeah.
because you got like the fresh oxygen. They don't have numbers on here though.
So I think going back is this way.
Yeah, I think going back down, but let's walk a little bit before we go back down. You know what I mean?
Just there or there, left or right?
Huh?
Left or
I
right?
don't know, hold this.
Hi! So, we're walking again. Oh, the woods are, this is really... What do you call this again, babe?
What?
Air bathing or what?
Air bathing.
Air
Oxygen
bathing. Oxygen bathing. We're in the woods. So, another adventure. We have an appointment at 12 o'clock. So, with Lara's friend, we'll have lunch. We're just like going anywhere. See? Anyway. See? Where are we going? We're just surrounded with these plants. So we're going this way? Yeah, there might be a lot of like creepy stuff.
This way, this way. So how's your trip, babe?
Good.
How'd you do?
It's fun. It's fun adventure.
Would you do it again?
What?
Would you come back here again?
Yeah, sure, for sure.
Since it's not too far
Yes.
from us. It's only like 2.5 hours.
Right, yeah.
That's why they say the west side is the best side.
West side is the
Side
best
of
side.
Michigan. The east side, we have the metro parks and stuff like that, but it doesn't compare to the beauty of Lake Michigan. I guess we have Lake Erie, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, but it doesn't compare to this. You know what I mean?
You really smell good, babe.
Oh, thank you. No, that's the brand. I forgot I left it inside the car. So what's the news? How do you say gossip again? What's
Chica.
chica?
So, ano ang chica?
What's the chica, or in
Unsay
the modern
chica?
term they say spill the tea.
Spill the tea.
They say
Unsay
spill the
chica?
tea.
Chica ding, chica ding.
Here's our car.
Is this okay to go or like you want stairs?
Huh?
This one is fine, yeah.
Well, this is the other entrance.
Okay, we're walking down. Down. Hati-hati. I don't know what we're doing. Ay. Okay. Mm. Let's see. Go down. I don't know how to flip it. I have to be careful. It's so. Ay, ay, ay. Why are we walking in this path? There's an easy path, but why it's in the hard path? You know what I mean? But I'm not really good in walking downhill, even uphill. Oh. Careful because there's a lot of small rocks. Okay, so yeah, I'm almost there again with this gateway parking lot. It's a very short walk because we have an appointment. I don't want to be late since we're the one who set it up, the launch date with our friend. And then, so yeah, actually, ato rani. Nakoy umta ni iprak unta nako akong bana. Kaso kailangan internet man. Kaso wa may internet. I can do one more lap. What are you talking about? Why only me? No. Oh, finally I'm here. We're back to the car. Gana, gusto niya nga palakaton ko niya, pero kapoy gani kayo eh. Ang sige katawa. What did you say?
Go ahead. You can do one more lap.
Let's see, one more lap. He wants me to
No,
walk one more lap.
No, you wanna exercise. You said you want to exercise.
Sa moto. Ako unta ni ano ba? Ang usa. Ito ako ingon sa inyo gani ha. Tapos magmisay ata kay di man siya kasabot. Sa ato siya libakon bisag na siya sa atong liyo. So kana kilanlan man kana man ni kanang filter sa it's in the car naman ni kanang ano sa kanang naa sa ay filter sa ano ba sa TikTok kanang magbali-bali ang ano ba magkanaka-ballet dress ana tani akong buhaton sa iya asa di mag-work kay wala may internet kana man mi sa liblib lugar so kana sunod na lang. Ayaw magsapa.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Alright, you can turn it off now.
Okay. Say bye to our viewers. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're just new to this vlogging. We don't know if it will work or not. But yeah, we're vlogging. The video is actually not really for vlogging, real vlogging, but just a documentation.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah, okay, smile. Pause. And then I'll take a screenshot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, mati daw. Alright, turn it off.